Meaning of fifthly.
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 Fifthly. Fifthly is an adverb that means in the fifth place or as the fifth point. It is often used to enumerate a list of points or to structure an argument. The use of fifthly can help to clearly organize ideas and make them easier to understand. When using fifthly, it is important to ensure that all previous points have been covered and that this fifth point is relevant and adds value to the overall argument or discussion. Overall, fifthly is a useful tool for concise and effective communication.